Before joining the 15 days mega mastery class, I was so depressed, I was so stressed, I suffered from seizure, I have fatty liver, all the health conditions like infection in the lungs, infection in the stomach, everywhere. Okay. Every time I go to the hospital, I come back and then again I'll go. Like doctors know, they will be telling something is wrong with you, but we couldn't find what's wrong with you. But you only have to stand for yourself. Then at the time I was just seeing the Instagram post and videos. At the time I saw sir's video, but I have no idea what the class is about. Something I felt like I want to go and see what the webinar is about. So the webinar lasts for like 1-2 hours or something like that, and then I joined. And my husband asked me, "What is the course is all about, and what you're going to say?" I said, "I don't know, but I just want to join." So I just joined it, and the complete 15 days, it was like a wow moment. And I always, sir, no, I always like in the class, like every moment, every word from sir's mouth, it's the truth. And um, I took time to process the things. What to say, like uh, everyone will be having that image that I'm the good person, like I am a Jesus, and everyone around me are toxic fellows, my parents, my husband, everyone around me are toxic, I am the good person. But the truth is not like that. And when he taught everything, the what the life is about, how to manage our stress and how to overcome the traumas, the inner child, whatever it is, we can give whatever the name. Uh, then I was like, oh, that's it, that's it. And like every time I was like, that's avladana avla mudinju pocha, that's it. And I couldn't come out of that. And in one thing, and in I'm in the spiritual journey, so in a meditation, every master used to say you have to be in mindfulness, whatever you do, you have to do that one. But it's really very difficult. My mind will be wandering somewhere, either in the future or in the past. I couldn't control my mind. But within a minute, he just emptied my mind. And till now, I'm using the same formula. And first time, like when I walk, I'm just, I can feel my hands, my fingers. I was like, oh my God. I went to my girl and said, Latika, see, I can feel my hands. And it was like, it's completely like a rebirth to me. So I'm completely happy with at all the 15 days. And I was really felt very sad, because if it is like 30 days course or a 3 months course, I can get more information from him. But unfortunately, it's just on 15 days. But um, the content which he gave is for my lifetime, not only for me, to my kids as well. And I thought I can change only me. But surprisingly, everyone around my family started to change. The relationship between myself and my husband, everything changed beautifully. With my kids or with my in-laws, like within myself. And I was weighed about 90 kgs at the time, and now I'm 71. Yeah, it's all reversed. I'm not taking any tablet. It's all reversed. The thing is, once we know what the life is, emotionally, or we will get calmed down and we'll be in the inner peace. And then I found a community like for the weight loss and all. And I found that community and I've joined that. And I'm like, there's a program for weight loss and all. Okay. See, just by thinking I'm going to lose weight and I'm simply sitting means it doesn't work out that way. I have to put effort on it. For putting that effort, we should know what really is. So the 15 days, every moment, it's an eye-opening for me. And I think many of you might notice or not, from yesterday till now, whenever sir is speaking, everyone's attention is only with the sir's mouth. But when we are in the school days or college days, or when we are in meeting, if someone is talking, we are like, oh my God, when they will finish, I have this work, I have that work, I have to cook, I have to do something. Hey, this guy is boring, man. This lady is boring. She's dominating. We will be thinking some, but for the sir's class, it will be attentive. And when I was doing the online class, literally I will be waiting when the time comes and when I have to log into that. So literally my life changed 360 degree, and I'm
Online class, is it?
yes, it's online class. I'm completely happy now.
Okay, what are the 5 major breakthroughs you had in the week?
Yeah.
If you go like that.
What was your battery liver grade?
Now I'm completely fine.
What was the grade? 2 or 3?
It's 2.
2.
Yeah. And now I'm completely reversed. Thank you.